Hi guys, you are welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to generate these AI images. Please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime we post a video. Thank you very much. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening according to the time you are watching this video. In today's tutorial, we are going to generate AI images. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to open our Chrome browser. Open it. We are going to type in here bin.com. Search for it. It will open like this. We are going to enable the desktop site. By doing that, you have to click on this three dots here. When you click on it, you come down here and enable the desktop site. Tap on it. It will change to here. Now we are going to type on images, and this is where the images are. This place. We are going to tap there. It will take you to a different site. Now you come back to create. Tap on create. This is the create. Sorry. Create is here. You're going to tap on it. Let's wait for it to load. My network. Okay, now it has loaded. Now you are going to put our prompt here. Please, the prompt will be in the description of this video. I'm going to leave those prompts there. First of all, let's use this one, this first prompt. Tap on create and wait for a minute. It will generate the images for you. These are the images. Let's tap on this one and look at it. This is how they will look like. It's still loading, and this is how they will look like. Please, if you want to download it, you tap on this three dot. When you tap on it and you tap on download, it will download. Let's go back and tap on this one to see how that one goes. This is it. So let's go back and use a different prompt. Delete this one. Let's put this prompt. Tap on create. Okay, this is the second prompt. Let's tap on one of these and take a look at it. This is how it will look like. Let's go back and use a different prompt again. Delete this one. Let's put this prompt. Tap on create. Please sorry for the background noise. Let's wait for it to load. This is how it will look like. Tap on it. It's loading. This is it. Let's go back. This one, let me download this one. I like that one. Tap on this. Tap on download and it will download. Let's go back. Now we are going to use our last prompt. Delete this one. This is our last prompt we are going to use. This is it. Tap on it. Let's wait for it to load. And this is how it will look like. Let me download this one too. Go back. And without forgetting, guys, please, if you exhaust your points, this point is always 15. If they are off, you have to wait for the next day before you can be able to get them back again. That's all I have to say. Please, if you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a video. And if you are a returning viewer, don't forget to also hit the notification button to be notified anytime I drop a video. Thank you very much.